Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial we'll be learning how to cut and sew this beautiful kimono jacket with a drawstring. I made this outfit with a 2 years of organza fabric by 60 length. So if you're interested in knowing how this is being done, guys, make sure you watch this video to the end and remember to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. So this is my fabric. I folded it once. I'll be cutting the front part first. So the first measurement I will take is 7.5 inches from my shoulder. This 7.5 inches is for my neck depth. So I'll go ahead and measure the length of this gown, which is 36 inches. Then I will come back to my shoulder. I will take my neck width, which is 3 inches. So I will connect it to the 7.5 inches neck depth. Can you see that? So after that, the next measurement I will take is my sleeve length. I'm taking sleeve length of 20 inches for this outfit. That's 20 inches right there. So on that 20 inches, I will come down by 1.5 inch. Is it inches or inch? So I will now connect it to the width of my neck. This 1.5 inches is my shoulder slope. So from that 1.5 inches, I came down by 13 inches. And these 13 inches will now serve as my sleeve width. Can you see that? So I will connect the line from there. So I will come back to my center front. I will now take 14.5 inches. Remember, I've taken 1.5 inches plus 13 inches, so that will now be 14.5 inches. So on this 14.5 inches, I will take my bust circumference divided by 4, and that will give me about 9.5 inches. So I added 6 inches to it. So I will now connect my sleeve width to that my bust measurement. So from there, I will connect it to the down part of my kimono dress. So I'll connect it to the length. Sorry, this chalk is actually faint because it's an organza fabric. So I'll go ahead and cut. So I'm cutting my neckline first. So after that, I will go ahead and cut out the shoulder slope. Can you see that? So this is what it is. So when I cut it, you will see exactly what it looked like. Can you see? So I'll go ahead and slash the center open. So on that 7.5 inches, which is my neck, my front neck depth, I measured 1.5 inches in. So I'm going to cut out this 1.5. So I will take it to the downside, to the down part of my dress. Then I will connect it to the shoulder width, to the neck width, sorry. So I'll go ahead and cut it out. Can you see that? So this is what I have at this moment. So I will notch at that 7.5 inches, which is my neck depth. So this is the front part. So I'll go ahead and cut the back part. So I will place the front part on top of a new fabric, as you can see. So I'll go ahead and cut. Sorry, I've not taken the neck measurement for the back part yet. I just want to cut it first. Can you see? So the neck depth for my back part is just 1 inch. So I'll connect it to the 3 inches neck width. So this is what it looked like. So I'm not slashing, I'm not opening the center back. Remember, this is just like a shirt. Can you see? So I'll go ahead and separate them. So after that, the next thing I will do is to join the two shoulders. So I place the back parts under, then I now place the front part on top. So I'll go ahead and stitch. I'm trying to pin it down because this cloth, this fabric, they worry. So I'll hold it down with a pin. So the next thing I will do is to take it to my machine and stitch. Can you see? I'm done stitching the shoulders. So after stitching the shoulders, you know, this organza can be very uncomfortable on somebody, in as much as the same is showing. So I'll go ahead and fold that same allowance, as in the way I join it, the way that same allowance I use in joining the shoulder, I'll go and stitch it. So after that, I will now locate the center back, because I want to join the collar. So this is the center back, and this will serve as my collar. Can you see? It's very long. It will go round the cloth from the neck to the down parts. So I folded it into two. The width of the collar is 1.5 inches plus ½ inch for sewing. That's 2 inches. So I will go ahead and stitch it from my center back. After stitching one side to the down side, I will now stitch the other side. So this is what it looked like after stitching. I've stitched it all round from my center back neck to the down part of my kimono. Can you see that? So I'm done stitching it. When you are weaving this kind of cloth, make sure you weave it with exact thread. So I'll go ahead and join the side. This is my sleeve part. I've already folded my sleeve. So I'll go ahead and join it from the sleeve part to the down side of my kimono. I will join the two sides. So I'm done joining. The next thing I will do is to hem the down parts. Can you see? I'll fold it twice. So after that, I will now come to the side seam. Can you see? So I'm going to be stitching them down. I'll open it. I'll iron it open. Then I will now stitch. I will stitch it one side and I will stitch the other side, because that is where I'm going to be inserting my drawstring. So I measured about 18 inches from the down part of my dress to where I want my drawstring to start. So I will insert my drawstring inside, then I will now hold it with a stitch. I will stitch it. I will stitch both the two. You know, it has two channels. I did not add any drawstring casing to this. So this is just a simple way of doing this. So that is what it is about the drawstring. So this is my design. I gum it with the new Uhu gum. So that's what I use for this design. So guys, we're almost through to the end of this tutorial. Remember to share this video. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so very much guys for watching. See you in our next tutorial and bye for now.